Hi, my name is Libby and I'm a new me breath and bodywork facilitator. This is the second part of our facilitator training. I've had the privilege today of working with a young man who has had one previous session with JD. This has been the most amazing experience for me to work on somebody that I don't know. It's really allowed me to express myself through giving, and that is the most amazing and beautiful gift that one human being could possibly give to another. I would recommend for anybody who's interested in either having a session, try it. You'll never know what it will open up. It really can change you. It's absolutely transformational. And if you're interested in taking that further, if you have had sessions to become a facilitator, you will have the most amazing experience. There's a beauty, a joy, a warmness from connecting with people and giving that gift. It really is meant to be shared.